Greetings of the day, dear children. Let us start exercise 11.3, question number 4. Give expression for the following cases. 7 added to P. Now here they have given you statement and you have to convert it as expression. Expression means this way, in equation form you have to convert. So whatever the question is saying, same as it is, you will make the expression. Your first part is 7 added to P. So added means plus sign. So 7 added to P means 7 plus P. Next is your 7 subtracted from P. Children, just keep in mind what from P means P में से 7 minus करना है, तो P will come in front. So your answer statement will come P minus 7. Now your third part is P multiplied by 7. It is clearly written simple. P multiplied by 7, which is equal to 7P. If a number and variable they are taken together, it is understood they both are multiplying with each other. So you can write your answer in this way, 7P. Now here in D part they are saying P divided by 7. So P को 7 से divide करना है, which means P divide by 7, and it can be written in fraction form as well, कि P upon 7, which means P divided by 7. So this was your D part. Now next is your E part. 7 subtracted from minus 7. Be clear, from minus 7 you have to subtract 7. So minus M will be written first and then you have to subtract 7. So subtract means minus only, you will put minus sign and then this is your expression, minus M minus 7. Next, F is your minus P multiplied by 5. It is same. You have to multiply minus P to minus 5. Multiplication sign will come and P 5s are it's 5P and this minus sign will also come. Children, this we have already done in integers also. Next, G is your minus P divided by 5. Simple, same way, minus P divided by 5 is this in this way, or minus P upon 5. In this way also you can leave it. Then your last part is P multiplied by minus 5. Now here you can see F or G, H. The answer of these two will come same because P and 5 both are same. Only the sign with this P is negative and this 5 is negative. So indirectly the answer will come same only. P multiplied by 5 or minus P multiplied by 5. The answer will come minus 5P only. So this was your question number 4 of exercise 11.3. Let's move ahead with question number 5 of exercise 11.3 now. Give expressions. Now again here you have to make the expression. The difference is in question number 4 simple statements were given. Here some complex statement is given but the method is same. Whatever the condition they are giving you have to do in the same way. Like first part 11 added to 2M. 2M में आपने 11 add करना है. So 11 plus add means plus 2M. This is your fifth A part. In second part you have to subtract 11 from 2M. Now again from 2M you have to subtract. You have to understand the meaning, the expression what they are saying. So 2M minus 11 will come. This is your B part. Let's move ahead with C part now. 5 times y, times means multiplication. 5 times y to which 3 is added. पहले हमें y को 5 से multiply करना है and then whatever the answer will come we have to add 3 to it. So what we are going to do? First we have to multiply 5 multiplied by y plus 3. To this expression we have to add 3. This will become 5y plus 3. It is like 5 times y added to 3. So this is your C part. Now next let us come to D part. 5 times y from which 3 is subtracted. यहाँ 3 plus करना था previous part में and now here in this part we have to subtract 3 from this one only. अब ये मत समझना from आया तो 3 पहले आएगा. From which means first we have to multiply and then we have to subtract 3. So the statement will be like this, 5y minus 3. This is your D part. Let's move ahead with E part now. Y multiplied by minus 8. This is simple. The way we did in question number 4, we have to multiply y with minus 8. We will get answer as minus 8y. This is your fifth part, E part. Let's move ahead with F part. What is the F part saying? Y is multiplied by minus 8. First we have to multiply minus 8 to y and then we have to add 5. So हमारा पीछे आंसर in our previous part the answer came minus 8. Same way we have to do. First we have to multiply y with minus 8 and then we have to add 5 to it. So the answer will come minus 8y plus 5. This is your F part. Now here let us move ahead with G part. Y is multiplied by 5 and the result is subtracted from 16. First we are multiplying y with 5 and whatever the answer will come, that will get subtracted from 16. This is the difference between this D and G part. D में we have to subtract 3 from this expression, or here in this part from 16 we have to subtract this 5y. So what you will do? First from 16 you have to subtract y5. So you will get the answer as 16 minus 5y. This is your G part answer. Now in H part, y multiplied to 5 and whatever the result you will get, you have to add 16 to 8. So simple way, y multiplied by minus 5 plus 16 is equal to, first multiply this, minus 5y you will get and you have to add 16. So this was your question number 5, exercise 11.3. In similar way you will do these two questions in your register.